My screen is visible. I think in the last class we talked about this script, correct? When you call a name and when you give echo, only those name comes. Yes or no? User defined variables I have done yesterday. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's start new session. Oh, I didn't stop my instance. Very good, bad. Okay. So today we are going to learn command line argument. Means is used for execution value passing through the command prompt. It is used for doing data backup files. You can reuse as passing argument also. Like for example, assume this is my shell script echo script name dollar. So if I give here $0, the script name will come. Whatever script name I'll be giving, that test sh will come. If I give sh1, that means first Prasanjit. Okay, so that argument will come. Then second argument. Then third. Whatever we write it down here, depending on our argument, it will work. Like let's create an argument. Hold a second. I think I have created one file. So okay. Let's go inside tech only. Both are fine. Sure. Okay, so let's skip vi test.sh. Whatever name you like, you can give. This I'll copy this. Let's paste here. So this is my calling name. So let's see. Let's save it. sh test sh enter. So my script name came what? Test sh. because that is my script name. Yes or no? Now with this, I will pass some argument. I'll pass some argument. Now see, test one. For example, my name, Nirmal name, Usha's name, and Vinay name. Now this is what my argument. Jeet, Nirmal. There are 4 arguments. You can see. Once I play this, here first my shell script name will come. Next, first name Jeet, second, third, all string, all argument, number of argument. How many number of arguments are there? 4. It will come here 4. See. This is what known as command line argument. Inside the argument you can write. Now everything has its own number. When you give $0, it will always call script name. $1 always call as first argument. So there are predefined argument for this. Even though if I change something, like for example, let's change here. I am giving here $0. Here I am giving $1. See, $0 I have given here, so it came here. So these are predefined numbers. $0 will always tell you about your scripted name. Next number will say your script 1, 2, 3. How many script you give? If you want to know the all string, all argument, then you have to specifically give this number. So you should always make this note. When you give $* means all the string. If you want to check the numbers of that, $#. If you want to see all the argument, this is the argument, $@. Clear? Any questions? Anybody, any questions? Okay. Same thing I have done here. Next, string. String is a value of 0 or more character enclosed in single or double quotes. It is a value of 0 or more character. Any number, it can be a string, but enclosed in double quote. That means whenever I write down this is my string. Okay. In string, condition will come if. First condition is if condition. In algebra, I think you have done all those things in your higher secondary. If condition. This is equals to. So this is a symbol meaning. Greater than, equals to, smaller than, equals to. So all this meaning. Okay. See, this is not a symbol. Okay, this is just an arrow mark I have given. Like equals to means equals to. Less than means this one, equals to, less than. Then smaller than, greater than, equals to. So these are the numbers you have to understand. So like for example, I have given this. If in quotation I have given $#. $# means what is $#? String numbers. That means my argument. If my argument is less than 2, that means equals to 2, then my string number will come 1. Then I should get like this output. If not, then I should get some different result. If you want to start the argument, you start with if, then your argument process. To stop that argument, you should give fi, opposite of if. If I put some different number, not like 3, 4 or 5, then it should give me one passage. Please pass 2 arguments. Then uses shell script, argument name and this thing. So while doing if condition, you have to use then and else. And to stop that if condition, you have to give fi. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes.
This is mathematical calculation you should do, because while doing genking, that time you have to give conditions. If I am running this one, from this it should come here and there. So you should know the conditions properly. So let's start if condition. Copy this. So see, if my argument, if I am not passing any two valid argument, then it will give me string name, my string number, and then all string. This is fine. If not, if I am not passing anything, then I should get an error message. Uses shell script name, okay, and you have to pass 2 argument. This is a condition. Then and else. Do you people getting what the output will come? Sunny, can you explain this argument? Okay, Sandhya, can you explain the argument?
Sir,
Can you explain this argument? What output will come?
if you pass some 2 or 3 arguments, if that $sign hash means number of arguments, how much arguments we are passing, that is equal to 2. Means first it will display the first argument name, second argument name. Yes or no, sir?
Here all the string means both the name. Here number of string. If I am giving 2 means 2 number will come here.
Yes.
2 strings. Then if I do not, again, if I do not pass argument, then I will get this message.
Yeah, if we not pass any argument, simply we execute program means after else what is there, that will get the output.
Let's see. So sh if condition, enter C. Please pass 2 argument. How to use? I have given that also. I have given the name. That means I will have to give sh if condition and some name like hello world. Enter. See. Clear? If I give some other name, hello world today, my argument is wrong, because in my condition I have given equals to 2. That means only equals to 2. If I give 1, fine, but not more than 2.
Sir.
Tell.
Yes, sir. That last one, After echo, what's that fi?
Whenever you start some condition, you have to stop the condition. If for starting, for stopping is fi.
Okay.
Opposite.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like yesterday I shown in double comment, while giving command lesser than the command name, and then to stop that command, again the same command name I have to give.
Yes.
Same thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see next one. This is one more string I have created. I have given name like this. Now echo name variable is lesser than name. So this entire variable name will come here, dollar name, because I have given dollar name. So I am calling my string here. Okay, then if I give in bracket the symbols, then what will come? So let's do one thing. I will write down this and copy, and you tell me the output. Vinay, you have to explain me this output after you are saying what you are getting it.
Okay, sir.
So what do you think? Okay, let's do one thing. Yes, here I will run this. So first I'm calling my argument name, and in quotation I have given this entire thing. Okay, now with this I will play. Now if I give name of the variable, dollar name means this name should come here. That name of the variable is come entirely. Hi Prasandeep, my name is this. If I give inside bracket, what will come? If I give hash bracket, what will come? Just check here. Line numbers. Here less than numbers. So let's see. See. First name of the variable enter thing came. If I give dollar also, the output becomes same. No changes of output. That means if I call dollar with relevant name, for example, this is also same. And if I call dollar with bracket also, both the output are same. No difference. You can call your argument with dollar with bracket also. Fine. Next, length. What is the length command? This. If you give simple hash and then if you give name, it will come length. Here also length was there, correct? See, dollar hash. But if you want to particularly call your string, then you have to do in bracket. That we will understand this entire word has 55 letters within space. Next, name is to 10. That means only 10 words. My name is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From middle, it is left 10 words, then it is given entirely. See, H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? If I want between, this is what? Understood? Any questions? This is what known as string. You can call your string inside of variables also. Next is operations. Calculative. This and this plus. So what will come? So let's do this. So for expression, if you want to do plus 10 plus 20, then minus, same symbol, but for multiplication it come like this. For percentage it come like this. Okay. So let's make. Copy this. So what will my answer will come? Can you tell?
For addition, it is 30.
Ah. Then let's see. Clear? If I want to edit, like I want to give some name in front of that, no problem. Just come here, press I. Okay. Echo get addition. Okay. Now save it. Now run it again. Now see, while doing this, what happened? Did it plus? No, no. So whenever you are passing any kind of expression, remember it should start with some dollar symbol. So if I want to start this, I will write down like this. You have to manage. Clear? You cannot use your condition directly with echo word. Clear?
Sir, can you open that math file once again? That third expression, multiplication, it will express like that only?
Yes.
Backslash star?
Backslash and star, multiplication.
Okay.
If you give star, it will not understand. So you have to
Okay.
give this symbol.
Okay.
Now we'll join both. Now we'll do with argument. I will use if condition here. If I pass two argument, then they should do addition. But to start the expression, you have to give this colon single quotation mark. Remember, if I am not passing two argument, I should get this error. Clear? Let's do. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's move this one. See, the color will change. See. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm passing only this one. I'll get a message. You should pass to argument. Yes or no? Enter to arguments. Now, let's give 2 and 3. See. Did it compile 2 and 3? Because
No.
I have not given to explicit this one, so I have to use quotation here. This quotation is from inside till down, okay? That quotation, not this one. It has difference between this and this. Don't get, these are two different symbols. Okay, this one will come in the right hand side, this one in the first, in one will get before one down till symbol. Yes, clear? If I give name, what will happen? Like G and tech. You will not get because non-integer. Because when you use this command expr, it is always used for arithmetic conditions only. Clear? Any questions?
So once again, expr
Is used for arithmetic operations only. Command.
Okay. Okay.
Like only integer adding, minus, plus, all those things will happen.
Okay.
You cannot pass any alphabetic number.
Sir, if you want to combine two names means we should use string.
You
Or
cannot
any.
use name because this expr is only for mathematics.
Okay, that is understand.
Uh,
If you want to add two names like JIT and tech means what expression you want
that
to
read
use?
name, then read command will come. Read argument, different concept will come, not for this.
Okay.
expr is only for integers, not for others.
Okay. It is for arithmetic operations.
Yes. Now it will come, read command. Okay. So tomorrow I want homework in subtraction and division. I think you can do same only. Do it, okay? Divide. Now let's come to interactive mode. Read command operation. Now we'll do read command operation. In read command operation, what will happen? First I'll give echo, please provide your name. Okay? Read is a command. Name is your argument. So you have to call your argument here. See. That means whatever I will give, read name, that name will come here. Or two ways of writing, echo, enter your name. I'll enter my name. Whatever name I'll write here, it will get me reply. So read opposite word is reply. Read command is used for interactive mode only. Understood?
Sir, I'm not getting explain once, sir.
Here read command will read whatever arguments you type. Like when I write sh read of.sh, it will give me first enter a name. I'll enter a name. That name will be displayed here. Okay. Until unless I use, will not use. So let's use read. See, now when I will give that one sh this, then first it will come like this. Please provide your name. Then whenever whatever name I will put, next line it will display this name whatever I write here. Let's see. I created word vi read. Let's start this. Now one prompt will come. Please provide a name. So let's give. Now my third line will execute. Whatever name I have typed, it will display me. Clear?
Yes.
If you do not want to use read command, for example, you want to use reply command, then also same thing. Whatever you type here, it will reply you. Origin reply almost same. So let's do this. Okay. Again, provide your name. What is it? Okay. Name didn't came. Why? Correct now. If you don't pass any argument like after read word, then it will reply whatever you type. This is the difference. Clear? Understood? Any questions? Okay, no questions. Next, you are going for joining read command and arithmetic operations. Like how you can interact between this and this. So, first name, please enter first number, you will read number 1, enter 2 number, next you will enter 2 number, read number 2, then total is this. Should I do this one or you can do it? Understood? What will happen output? Whenever I'll start this sh, it will ask me this, enter one number. I'll put one number, again one error message will come. Enter second number. Then whatever number I'll put here, it will add here. See expression number 1, number 2. Whatever you write down here, na number 1, number 2, same number you have to give here. Don't misspell it or do any mistake, it will not work. You can try this.
Yes, sir.
Next, array. is a consecutive memory location where you can store the values. Please enter devops tool. You give read minus a. It will give you this number. The name in devops 3, then whatever output will come. So let's see. Let's give. Please enter any tool. So let's just I'm writing randomly. It came the DevOps tool you enter are Jeet. If I put 3 names, Jeet, and just a name, whatever you write. Jeet names are this. Clear? Now here, if you put, it is not coming. Why? Because you have given here 3. The name is 3. Now 3 is not a command. 3 you don't have anything. Instead of 3, let's put hash. So now see error is syntax, operand different. Let's give some basic names. Example I am giving Ansible, we have Docker, we have Git, we have Terra. See, after third name, it came extra. That is the meaning of this line. When you give DevOps, then after 3, whatever name you type down, that name will come. If you pass this argument. I think array is clear. Yes or no? Any questions in array?
No.
Others?
No, sir.
Next, cadential type. Normally, if you give this command, you can easily see hold a second, just stop. Now in this command, if I give credential, if I give this read username, first it will say enter username. After that, next command will come password. Then whatever you have given, it will display here. That means whatever command you write it down here, username or read or whatever you do, and whatever you call, that name will come. That is the purpose of read command. Okay. So this is simple. So let's do it. In this, whatever you type down, for example, like this. In here, I am passing this. Will it work?
No.
No. Correct. Because this phrase, this argument is not matching here. So whatever you give in read command, you should pass the same argument here. This one just for namesake I have given. This is not like our command like etc.password. Like giving name, username. Like password like this. Visible, enter, I can see your password. That means if I run this command in your system and if I do script, remember script command to record a session. If you do something, I will get this display directly. In your bank, does it look like this? Whatever scripting they will do, they will use shell script only, basic script. If they use this kind of scripting, is it good? It is not good because the password is visible. Now I do not want to see my password here, whatever I type, for my security reason. Then next follow you can. You can also hide your scripting also, whatever you have written. For that you have to give ST to hide your type. Next command is sp. This one. Read minus p. Either you can type like this, echo this, then this, or you can type like this. So I'm going to use this part first, and then I'm going to use s in front. Okay, let's see. Let's copy this. Let's use comment also little bit. Okay, I don't want to pass this. Give here has symbol. Okay. Now what will happen? Let's see. You enter your username, G. Password, check. It is visible, correct? Now, I'm going to do this. I'll comment this. Okay. Username G. Password. I have typed something. See. Now password is not hidden. Here what I have typed. Did you see that time whatever password I have given? When I run this command, I am giving username Jeet. Is saying password. This password is hello. I have typed hello. Can you see? No. Enter. Now you can see. That means if I run the script and if I give this location to save somewhere, I can easily get his password whatever he is doing. Yes or no? Understood? Clear? And here I can here write down some command, some place where this will save. Now it is not saving. I can add some path. It can go and save there. So those things is not required so much on depth. Only this much. How to hide, how to open. I think up to here clear. Yes or no? Clear, na?
Yes.
Now we'll talk about input and output redirection. Like I want to see the date, like not date, I want to get an output. I want to save the file. Now whatever I have done, I am just running the sales script. It is not saving somewhere. Now I want to save my output also. Then what shall I do? We'll do it now. Up to here, any questions you have? Sales script is not so easy. Remember, I'm saying again and again. Next operations. I assume this is date. If I pass this command, what will happen? Tell me quickly. It will display my time, correct? But whatever output comes to me, I need to save this file. So do I have any files over here at present? Like date file, a new file, nothing. Now all are shell script, correct? I want output of this. I want result of this. So date, this, and what should be output? My today dot txt. Then enter. So now I didn't get my answer, but this file is saved. Game. Now if I see, so I have saved the output. Clear? If I try this one, will it work? What do you think? See, with shell script you cannot add. Remember. Sorry. Did I got my output? No. But if I see now, you can see I have saved the password. Clear? This is only informal way of doing it. We'll now learn the formal way of this, how to get the output and all those things. Any command like additional command you have used that time now, like sh add dot txt get out. Only first line is coming, but I want to do the entire thing. That also we can do. Two plus 3. ls minus l. I can see out. Clear how to save the output? Any questions? First tell me any questions, Sunny? Sunny? I think he just started but not listening. Fine. Usha?
No doubt, sir.
Sandhya?
No, sir. Until this, no, sir.
Huh?
Until this, no doubt.
Okay. Vinay?
No, sir, no doubt.
Nirmal?
No, sir.
Okay. Will I go further or you want to stop today? Or you want to practice?
Yes, sir, I want to practice. Sir, and also we have MCSA also, sir, daily.
So, I am not bothered about MCS, I am bothered about DevOps only, Vinay.
Yes, sir. Because we get some pressure.
I'm not getting your voice
Yeah,
properly. Tell
Sir,
what you are saying.
sir, while practicing, it will take time, sir. I mean, MCSA, both classes we have to practice daily now.
Ah. Yeah, you have come to learn, correct? Not to watch movie.
No, sir. I'm just.
I'm just joking. No, don't be serious. Just
No, sir. Daily, I'm writing notes and listening practice. Sir.
Okay. What I will do? Hold a second. Okay, from tomorrow I will do this part. We will do from input output direction from tomorrow. So till here, whatever I have done, just practice it, okay? And try to do some your own concept. You can go to Google and try something. If you are getting some error, just wait until and unless I finish other topics. Okay, the topics are very big. Okay, the lot of files will be coming up for loop, for this, that, switch case. This is homework. Okay, fine then. Tomorrow we'll meet. Please practice all those things because this is basic things whatever I have done. From here for this descriptors is very important when you do it. Okay, from descriptor is very important because in descriptor control command will come with if, then nested array command will come. So a lot of commands, new things will come and you have to know all those things. So tomorrow other topics we'll do, okay? I think today is the second day, correct?
Yes.
More 2 days.
The last class doubt is there, sir, yesterday's class.
Tell.
Not doubt, it's a confusion while practicing. I get the confusion.
What confusion?
Why exactly what is the use of shell scripting?
To execute command. For example, I have daily job to do at office. Like every day I want to monitor my hard drive space, these and those things.
Yes.
Okay. Now if I come here, if I give free command daily, if I write down here free one day, I have to make a note, correct? Like free enter. I want to check my disk management also, the df-h. So instead of running one by one command, I can create one shell script. And at one shot, I can run all those things.
Okay.
Like, for example, let's keep memory use. Just an example, okay? .sh. I want free command to be typed here. T-h. Then I want not top. I want df-h. Okay, then other short commands you give. What is the command to check the entire hardware utility?
DMI decode.
DMI
Decode.
decode. Correct na? Now let's run this. So instead of running one command only, now my entire thing will work, correct? Entire scan report, everything came. I got my memory space also. Yes or no?
Yes.
So all I got here. Only permission denied. Okay. Why permission denied?
You are in user mode.
Yes. Now if I do message, what is the command? Memory use. save this one. Now if I check that, I can enter output, correct? Clear now?
Yes. Then again, yesterday you told one command, that is /bin/sh. That is to /bin/sh.
Okay, by default, we have what is this? Not there is a command to check now. Yesterday I have given some command that if you want to check your scripting, you can check how many scripts you have.
cat/etc/shelf.
/etc/shelf, correct. So by default, these are the shells command. Okay, now you're using this bin/hash. If I want to move to this, then I can easily come to my shell scripting. Not shell, in shell I can come. But command the same. Whatever I have used, I can use same thing. Whatever is there, ls, where I am into this folder. If I go out of this folder, but I'll not see the out. Like here, I can understand even better where I am at present. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here you cannot understand. Here you have to always use PW. This is core shell.
Okay. By default, we are in that bash.
By default, you are in bash. If you
Okay.
want to change your script, you can change this one also. Either you can use this or you can use this also.
Yes.
Both are
Same
same.
command for everything, for same command.
Yes.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
If I use this, no differences because this is not used. Dash B and then CSH. No use of these two commands are not used at present. Clear?
Yes, sir.